Dear astrologers, astrology friends and ISAR members, this is Hakan from Istanbul, School of Wisdom of Sky, and I have some exciting news for you because this year, the first time, ISAR is organizing an astrology school conference, which also the participants will be the principals of the affiliated schools of ISAR. And this conference, the title for this conference is Practical Solutions for Difficult Times and the Risks and Opportunities that we face. Indeed, this conference will be held on the 19th and 20th November, Saturday and Sunday, and there will be a panel which in this panel, we are going to discuss several themes that we are facing now, especially in terms of mundane astrology. But also, the participants, the principals of the affiliated schools, they are going to give special lectures. And these lectures also further will be much more elaborated in the following week's workshops. So there will be, another part of this conference. There will be intensives, the workshops, in the following weekends. That these are actually 26, 27 November, and the 3rd and the 4th December. So you can also join these workshops in order to maybe go deeper with that lecture as well. And I myself, I am also giving a lecture. Actually, the title of this lecture is Practical Toolbox for Yearly Forecasts. And I'm going to give an introductory presentation about my own predictive techniques that I have been using for many years with my clients. So I'm going to provide you with a framework of these prediction methods in the yearly basis, but also I'm going to give you some tips how to interpret solar returns in time-wise, but also along with the profections and the monthly profections. So this will be a lecture, a combination of different time lords, including solar returns and profections that might be very helpful for your predictive work. But also in the workshop, we are going to have much opportunity to go further elaborating these techniques, these different time lord techniques actually. So we are going to again look at the charts examples with several examples, and then we are going to use how to use return charts, profections, but also much within the much shorter term periods. We are going to look at, for example, monthly solar returns, and this is actually also gives us some quite interesting material. But in the end, we are of course going to cover some other triggering tools, some major transits like lunation charts and eclipses. So I am so happy that ISAR is organizing such a conference that different astrologers, different people, they come together and then they are going to present their own views. And then these are also some material that we actually practice. I can say, at least for myself, that I use them as in my client work as well. I believe that astrology students will have new insights while using these techniques, and also can feel more confident in their work. And thank you for watching, and looking forward to meeting you in this excellent conference.